Hey 62 Code, thanks for joining me today. Today we have a very different video. So, I know you guys aren't used to me being on iMac, but it's way different for me. I recently got it due to me needing something to edit on, and I didn't want to use my gaming and streaming PC for that. So, I made the switch just for editing, and I want to film a quick tutorial for you guys because some of you guys might not know how to do this, and you might be having the same issue that I have when it comes to updating to the newest OS on iMac. So what you want to do, and I recently figured this out, is you want to go to the App Store, and once you go into the App Store, you want to go ahead and you want to click updates. Now in some situations like this right here, it says check for updates, and it never comes up with an update. It says no updates available. So the easiest way to find your update is to go into the home menu, and it should show it somewhere for you, but if it's not showing up for you, you just go and type Mac OS, go ahead and do insert, and then it should be the first one. Now right now I'm updating to the newest one, and you can see it's 12 gigabytes, and this is a quick tutorial on how to get to it, and it'll update everything for you. You should be good to go. Super simple, super easy. Those three ways are the easiest way to determine whether or not you have an update, or if you can't find your update, that's the easiest way to get to it. If you know there's a new update out and you need to get to it. Okay, so once you update and get everything situated, all you have to do is accept any new terms and conditions that the new update comes with. You should be good to go. Also, if you need to use any recording software or anything like that, be sure to enable permissions for all that stuff and make sure it's unlocked. So you should be good to go. You can use all your applications and everything as usual.